at Kawarau Bungee Center just outside of Queenstown, and a friend of mine is gonna jump for the first time.
Johnny, I'm gonna get you to fill this out for me.
All right, the man of the hour. You guys, meet my friend Johnny.
Hey guys.
You're about to go bungee jumping for the first time. How do you feel?
Yeah, pretty scared, but you know, it's one of those bucket list things that you just got to do, and yeah, I'm here now, so yeah, let's just get
There's
on with
no
it.
turning back. It's at this bridge that the sport was first commercialized, so that visitors like you and me could come here and experience this amazing jump. Today, hundreds of visitors flock to the bridge to watch thrill seekers leap into the gorge.
Cheers, man. Here we go.
Time to rock and roll. I'm feeling great. This is gonna be fun.
You want to stand up? You want to get your toes all the way out to the edge there, so I'm going to hold on to the back here.
Yeah.
You just want to get
Here we go. Oh, shit, man.
Okay, should we do that? 3, 2, 1,
This is so awesome. So they live cut the video of your jump, and then you have the option of purchasing it and taking it home with you. Are you gonna get it?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Why not?
You have to.
Right?
Well, folks, that's it. The jumps were electric, the scenery is picturesque, and I deeply encourage anyone to come to Queenstown and try it for themselves.